Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. Green Turkish Baklava, Mussel Baklava making. Details on the content of baklava making in this video. How to roll baklava dough thinly, and what to fill in baklava. How to give mussel shape to baklava. How to prepare sherbet. How to fry and cook baklava in the best way. We share everything with you. The baklava master starts work at 6 a.m. After the dough is kneaded for 1 hour, it comes out as thin strips with the help of the machine. But these doughs are not thin enough for baklava. Doughs are kept for 1 hour and will be rolled out thinner by hand. Wheat starch is sprinkled between the doughs. It is important to throw the starch in the form of a dust cloud. We can say that the size of the dough before it is opened by hand is about 30 centimeters wide and 1 meter long. After adding 10 layers of dough, it is gradually expanded. Baklava dough is rolled up by stretching it on a thin long rolling pin. After the dough is rotated for a couple of turns, it is extended by bending it with both hands, thus expanding the dough. When the starch ratio is insufficient, it is necessary to add starch between each dough again. The dough reaches a length and width of about 120 centimeters after opening. After the dough is wrapped in a thinner stick, it is compressed and given a jagged shape. One of the dough is rolled out on the counter. Adding pistachios to the mixer. Finely powdered pistachio and prepared to be a little more granular. Fine powdered pistachio is added to the dough first. Baklava is shaped. Lots of peanuts added. Baklava cream is added. The preparation of this cream is made with milk and semolina. Semolina is added to the boiling milk. 100 grams of semolina is added for 1 kilogram of milk and mixed. After being added to the tray, it is cooled and ready for use. Adding pistachios on top. After the dough is closed, It is divided into pieces and baklava is shaped into slices. The edges are compressed after inverting. The excess pieces at the ends are cut with a knife and placed on the aluminum tray. We can summarize the process of making baklava again. After the tray is completely filled, 63 slices of baklava are prepared. Butter is added. Adding water and sugar to sherbet. 15 kilograms of sugar, 7 kilograms of water. After half an hour of boiling, the syrup will be ready. Thick woods are added to the hot oven the night before for easy burning. You can see that the fire easily flares up when it touches the wood. The woods in the stone oven will be completely burned and it will be expected to turn into embers. When the oven temperature is 220 degrees, the appropriate temperature for baking baklava is obtained. Baklava is added and cooked for an average of 10 to 12 minutes. This fire oven with a rotating mechanism is used to fry the bottom of the baklava. Baklava is hot and sherbet is added hot. After it cools down, peanuts will be added on it and it will be ready to serve. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook, Recipes Chef Salim. If you want to donate, you can leave a tip. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.